Samuel suddenly started hiccuping. The kind that always shows up at the worst moment. Kayla even tried to scare him to stop it, but nope, didn't work. So she just kept laughing. Samuel wondered, why am I even hiccuping? Kayla remembered a video she once watched and explained. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm suddenly spasms. Air rushes in fast, the vocal cords snap shut, and that famous sound pops out. Samuel asked what he did wrong. Kayla told him it's nothing weird. It can happen when you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, laugh too hard, or when you're really stressed. And since scaring didn't help, she said it's better to try breathing into a paper bag for a bit, or holding your breath and sipping water. But if hiccups last more than 48 hours, yeah, time to see a doctor.